New at 6, the lone survivor of a crash that killed 3 young women over the summer was in court today. Brooke Molnar faces felony charges for driving drunk and critically injuring her passenger in a separate crash from months earlier. Meghan Schiller was in the courthouse and she joins us now with more. Meghan.
Well, 2 terrible crashes, both allegedly involving alcohol and underage drinking. And in the most recent crash, 3 of her friends died. And in the first crash, the guy in her passenger seat wound up on a ventilator. 21-year-old Brooke Molnar quickly exited city court Wednesday afternoon after telling her attorney beside her not to talk to reporters. After a lengthy hearing, the judge ruled to uphold the felony charge and countless other charges against her. She's accused of driving drunk and severely injuring her passenger, Avery Dibble, back in April of 2017. Investigators say Dibble, seen here talking with his attorney, wound up on a ventilator at Allegheny General for months. The attorney even testified that doctors placed him in a medically induced coma. Inside the courtroom, 2 police officers testified to finding a Lion's Head beer can in the wrecked black Mercedes. They say Molnar and Dibble needed cut out of the vehicle after Molnar lost control, taking the curve too fast on Chartiers Avenue. Investigators say she slammed the passenger side of the car into a guardrail and more than 2 telephone poles. Molnar was a passenger in an SUV that struck a telephone pole in Bethel Park back in July. That crash happened after a night of drinking. These Snapchat videos documented the whole night of partying and place to place. 3 of Molnar's friends died in that crash. Molnar was the only person in the car to make it out alive. And in today's hearing, Molnar's blood alcohol content was 0.134 during that first crash back in April, nearly twice the legal limit. But it's most important to point out that Molnar was only 20 years old when the first crash happened, so she wasn't legally allowed to drink anything at all. Reporting in the studio, Meghan Schiller, KDKA-TV News.